Hi friends, welcome to Karishma's recipe cookbook. Today I'm going to make methi fritters. I'm going to take 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 cup of fenugreek leaves thinly chopped, 1/4 cup of green garlic and 1/4 cup coriander leaves chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 green chilies thinly chopped, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 2 tablespoons of fruit salt. Mix well all together. Half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well all together ingredients. And I'm taking 1 cup of water. Slowly mix all together. Do not put all water together, just take a little water at a time. Mix it well. And 2 pinch of asafoetida called hing. Mix again. I'm taking now peanut oil. I will make sure my oil is hot enough. I will drop some mixture and find out it's hot enough. So now I'm putting with the spoon, and I can use with my hands dropping the mixture and cook until they're getting the brown. And flip and see the outside it's look very crispier and inside texture is very soft. Now my methi fritters are ready. I'm going to decorate. You can eat with the mint chutney with the ketchup. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.